Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to sort Excel data in ascending or descending order. So we can see we have this data. Just select it, then right click on it and hover cursor to sort, and here is the option sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. Also guys, you will see this option in ribbon. Here is the option sort and filter. Click on it. So sort smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and also you will see the option custom sort. Choose more options such as sorting by multiple column and rows and case sensitive sorts. Sort by, select your data to sort this cell and just you have to select here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.